How many hours do I spend learning about the business? Is that the question? As much as you can. Our action plans are based off of 30 minutes a day, okay? Why is it based off 30 minutes a day? Because if I tell you you need to invest 3 hours a day, you're gonna be like, oh my God, I got this, I got this, I got this. But you know what's gonna happen? It's consistency is your key, dude. The shortcut is consistency. If you will consistently put your effort in 30 minutes a day, that effort will start to compound and grow, and you'll gain traction, and traction is palpable. It's like, if I wanna get through that wall, right? I can take a sledgehammer, I can hit on a bunch of different areas of that wall, and I'll never break through. But if I hit on the same area multiple times, I'm gonna break through that wall. You need consistency in your effort, and then it's not hard to put time and effort in because you know what the return is gonna be. But in the beginning, you don't know what the return is gonna be. There's this doubt that's there. It doesn't matter if the doubt's there, you have to remove that and put the effort in. But it's 30 minutes a day is what we tell you. You will spend more than that, I just am telling you right now. But if you really ask, like, how much time do I spend putting into it and learning it? Shit, man. The learning never stops. As much as possible, the more that I can learn and act upon, the more traction, the more that I'll be able to grow, right?